It's been almost 2 months since I reviewed the OnePlus 7 Pro. Great phone, no doubts about it. But it's also kind of fragile considering the back is made of glass, the display is obviously covered by glass, and since it's a super curvy device, even a part of the sides is glass. So when I was shooting some B-roll clips for the review video, guess what happened? Yep, it just fell down thanks to strong winds. Nature is scary. Told you. It was easily a 4 feet drop and the display cracked. Even the sides were damaged. There were dents and scratches. I thought I had to shell out 16,000 rupees, but then I realized I had pre-ordered the phone before launch, so I had a free screen replacement offer in hand. So I decided to take it to the OnePlus Experience store here in Chennai. And before I tell you what happened next, let me introduce myself to those who have no idea who I am, which is probably 95% of you. My name is Ashwin Sundar, this is Technology Jock. If you find this video useful and informative, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Now, not everyone will be blessed with a free screen replacement offer, so it's always better to install a tempered glass for your phone. Our sponsor Glazed Ink offers true edge-to-edge tempered glasses with real curved glass along the edges. They have tempered glasses for a lot of other phones, including Note 10 Plus, Redmi K20 Pro and Realme X. So do check out Glazed Ink, link in the description. You can use the coupon code TJOCK to get 10% discount. I actually had a tempered glass installed, but while shooting videos for the review, I wanted it more natural. I thought the video would look more professional if I removed the tempered glass, so I removed it and then it happened. Now OnePlus actually invited me to the store and asked me to have a look at the new facilities, and I was like, I don't really need an invite. The broken phone should be enough reason to visit the service center. So I went there. Guys, the store is huge. The ground floor is full of demo and sales, and all sorts of service were handled in the first floor. The entire service experience was very user-friendly. First I had to get a token, and all I had to do was just follow the on-screen instructions here. Just had to enter my mobile number, name and the visit type, which was service. The waiting time was around 7 minutes, so I decided to take a quick tour of the store. I asked him about the free screen replacement offer right away, but he didn't seem to know about it. It took a few minutes. He spoke to some staff, came back and told me something that kinda disappointed me, shocked me. He said OnePlus doesn't handle these free screen replacement cases. So turned out they had partnered with this popular service brand called Servify to provide this offer. So the staff said I had to contact Servify regarding this. All the staff were really nice, they were helpful. They gave me Servify's contact number, I contacted them, and they said I had to download the OnePlus Care app and request a replacement through the app. While doing that, I bumped into yet another issue. For some weird reason, my unit did not qualify for the free screen replacement offer, as in the free plan was not activated. So I called them again, they asked me to send an email explaining the issue. They said they would manually enable the offer from my device. I thought I'd get back home and email them, but before leaving I had a look at the service counters. The service engineers were doing a fine job. Almost all of them were at work all the time. I really like how OnePlus offers us an option to sit right in front of the engineers and watch what they're doing. Not that we would completely understand what's going on, but it just gives peace of mind, right? We've heard from so many people that the local unofficial mobile service centers just replace good components with bad ones. So this is a good thing. And guys, I was really surprised when I saw the staff fixing a OnePlus One, the 5-year-old phone. Now, I used to have the OnePlus One. I had issues with it. I tried contacting customer care and they were like, they don't offer service for those old OnePlus phones anymore. So now it's good to see them taking in those devices as well for service. I think they replaced the battery in this case, if I remember right. Now, back to my experience. I mailed them after going home. I attached the invoice and this was their reply. They said the free screen replacement plan was offered to those customers who pre-ordered the phone only on Amazon. I had pre-ordered the phone directly with OnePlus Store. At this point, once again, I thought I was missing something, but then after browsing the web for a while, I found this page, a OnePlus staff member's post which said the plan was available to all customers who pre-booked on Amazon, OnePlus, Chroma or Reliance Digital. So I sent the screenshot and asked for an explanation, and after 2 days, they activated the plan for my phone. So after this, I went to Servify website to place the request. From here, things were fairly smooth. I just had to follow the on-screen instructions. It was pretty easy. After filling the claim form, I had to wait for a day for them to approve it and then continue the process online. Again, easy process. Just enter some basic details like your address and contact number and pickup date and time. That's it. They picked up the phone from my place. The executive was very professional, came on time, checked everything perfectly, took it to the service center, got it fixed in 2 days and delivered it back to me. The entire process took 13 days, but that also counts the 2 days that I took in between to reply to their emails. So effectively it was around 8 or 9 days. Because I had to go through Servify. If I was not eligible for the free screen replacement offer, let's say you break your OnePlus 5 or 5T, it doesn't have any free replacement plan, right? Then you could just visit the service center, the experience store directly and get it fixed. It would take 2 to 3 days maximum. In the store, I actually saw quite a lot of people getting their phones fixed right away, like in less than 1 hour. It depends on the kind of issue, spare parts availability, the extent of damage, and a few more things. So, am I happy with the service? Well, it was a bit of hassle to make a few phone calls, send emails to Servify, but end of the day, for me, it was free. I had to pay like 1,000 rupees service charge, but that was it. The best part, the reason I wrote surprised in the title was, they actually replaced the metal sides as well. Like I said earlier, there were a few scratches and dents. It was all gone. I have no idea how. Was it a part of the display unit or something in some way? You know what? I don't care. It's fixed and I'm happy. As for paid service, there won't be any delay because there was a delay in my case because the free replacement offer was pushed on to Servify. Had OnePlus handled it, like I said earlier, it would have taken 2 to 3 days maximum. Now the most important thing is, if you own a OnePlus phone, if you ever had to visit the experience store, any experience store in India regarding any issue, please do everyone a favor, share your experience with them in the comment section. I'm sure it will be really helpful. Also let me know if you want to see more of these videos in future. Basically, I'm asking if you want me to break more phones and take them to the service center. Not gonna happen, but I'll find some workaround if you want to see this kind of content. Like if any of my friends has a damaged phone, I'll take it to the service center. I'll do something about it. So that's it. Hit the like button if you liked the video. Support us by subscribing to Technology Jock and by pressing that bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.